the sandwich is only $6.79 at Popeyes. In the Venetian, that's crazy. It's $8.99 in Circus. Why does this Popeyes go that much lower? I mean, that's almost the street price. Incredible. So, Cafe Pan. 7 wings, $13.95. Do they have a, what do you call it? A gyro, yeah, gyro. Pita wrap, they call it. $12.95. It's not bad. And here's the candy store. Panda. Pandy Candy Store. Ooh, that's a good batch right there. Look at that chicken. That grilled teriyaki chicken, man oh man, did that look good or what? Social pizza. Social life pizza. That's a weird thing to say. Whole pizza, $39. $8.99 for a slice. That's a slice. How much is that? Let's see what that is. I don't know. That's tofu. It's good looking. Very good. This is a good selection of food. Real good. Johnny Rockets. $21.95 for a cheeseburger and french fries. No drink. No Pepsi. No soup. Jaybird's hot chicken. Chicken sandwich and fries, $13.85. 2 tenders and fries, $11.99. Looks good though, I gotta admit. It's expensive, but sure looks good. Fire of Brazil. A chucaraca. The food goes for around $12.99 average. And there's Chipotle. Yeah, you already know what that is. Prime burger. Buffalo fries, $14.99. Prime burger is $27.95. It's got pulled pork, bacon, and a fried egg on it. Nah, it doesn't make any sense to me. Don't discount coming to Vegas midweek. Because places like Venetian, Palazzo, MGM, Planet Hollywood, Cosmopolitan, they're going to be crowded enough, but they're not going to be so damn crowded that you can't breathe. I prefer this crowd. It's just enough. Not even know what you're doing. Street food. Wow. Chips and guacamole, $11. slice all the time. Stromboli. $24.99 for a fat burger and skinny fries. Nachos $20.99, burrito $19.99.